Have you ever fallen in love with a project, and the more you put your heart into it, the more you feel connected with your purpose?
Then you, my friend, are in the right place. Hi, I'm Raymond, and this is Season 5 of Running with Raymond.
My lifelong vlog series about learning, loving, creating, feeling, and growing through life. It's a show about making your own opportunities and having the courage to share your story with the world. Life can be uncertain, but I'm glad to know that you'll be right here with me no matter where I go.
Wow. That's so nice. Gang, 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 gang.
What's going on, guys? It's a new day and it's a new vlog, and I am here with Melanie.
Hi guys!
She's a fellow YouTuber, actress, and model here in New York City.
You already know the deal. We do it all here in New York City.
What's your YouTube channel and what are you doing?
My YouTube channel is Melanie Arias. You can click on it in the search bar. I don't even know what to say.
The link is gonna be down below.
Awesome. This is so bad. No, don't post this. Don't do it.
Now I'm gonna post this for sure.
Oh my god. Yeah, I've been acting for 2 years. One of my favorite moments so far in my creative career have definitely been working with Nylon Magazine for not only their e-commerce stuff, but also working on like a little section in the magazine, a little editorial. So it was super dope. It was like seeing myself for the first time on a piece of paper. Like, it just makes a huge difference. And also another part of my career that has been really like exciting is just like how, I don't know, like things that are destined to be are just destined to be. So no matter what happens, like I know that if I want it enough, like I'll get it. And like recently, there's just been a lot of stuff that I can't say I'm doing because I don't want to like have it not happen and then people be like, what happened to this? But yeah, it's all in the works. Yeah, exactly.
Currently we are in TACOS, which is my favorite, so far at least, I haven't discovered more, one of my favorite spots to grab some tacos in the city, TACOS. This is the spot, guys, and I'm gonna be eating some tacos and showing some great tacos to Melanie.
We'll see if this spot is that good. I don't know, man.
Gonna put this place to the test, huh?
I'm Hispanic, so tacos are my shit.
This is the ultimate test right here. What do you guys think? Should I start wearing glasses?
I used to wear glasses, now I wear contacts. Not sure if you can check that out. So, the breakfast taco, the huevos con carne was extremely delicious. But there's still one more for the test.
Actually, there's another one right here.
All right, there's like, damn, you're trying to make me fat, man? Like, come on.
Trying to make sure you're well fed.
Cheers.
What's going on? It's another day, it's another vlog. Welcome, we are back in New York. And guess what, guys? There's a blizzard out. And you know what that means when there's a snowmageddon out? That means we are gonna go out on a snow adventure. And how to best prepare for a snow adventure is you have to make sure you have some gloves, beanie, a face mask thing because the wind kind of hurts your face, and a really big coat. So that's what we have right now. Oh, and don't forget your camera. So we're gonna go out there, we're gonna shoot. I don't know what we're gonna see. I think there's people still outside anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. I am so ready for this. As you know, I'm not built for the snow. I was actually born in the tropics, so naturally, of course, I am not suited for this type of stuff, but let me show you guys what's going on outside. Holy crap. This is crazy. that's what's going on outside. So we're gonna shoot some stuff, have a little fun, and hopefully I don't die too much. All right, life isn't so bad. I do see some people walking around in the streets and stuff. So, I mean, I actually don't even feel like I need this. But it looks cool, so I'm gonna wear that anyways. What's going on, guys? So this is my new friend Coffee, and we just met outside in the snow because we took a picture of each other, and we're like, hey, you know what? Let's meet up. We like pointed at each other. I like turned back, and I think he turned back too, and we're like, let's meet up. And then we're now here at Equinox, and we're just gonna go around and keep shooting some more.
I mean, why is everyone home? Get out,
right?
Get your cameras out. Let's have some fun, you know?
Yeah, it's time for an adventure, guys. So, what prompted you to come out today?
Unfortunately, my coworkers didn't show up to work. Last storm we had, I actually wasn't able to grab any pictures, so
I had the same exact.
I was fully motivated to make sure I get out this time around.
I was in the same exact situation. So we just stopped by Prince Street Pizza, grab a slice of pizza.
Oh shit!
A long time ago.
All right, bye.
All right, guys.
Nice
it's
meeting you.
We're gonna do this again. Next time you see me, probably won't be like this out, but we'll be out shooting. We'll try to bring you more stuff. All right. Enjoy.
See ya. Bye. That was dope. I love meeting new people, and I love meeting just excited, passionate other people that just want to go do some cool things. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's what New York's all about.